Hello friends, how are you all? We are going to show you the 10 best gadgets in the world. If you are new to the channel, make sure to like, share, subscribe and set the bell notification on so that the video reaches you first. So let's start the video. Number 1. Stratosphera aquatica. Stratosphera aquatica is an all-new way to travel around the ocean, giving you all the luxury and comfort of an automobile in a two-seater vehicle that can glide across the water much smoother than a boat. Each Stratosphera aquatica can seat 2 people and can be controlled very similarly to a boat, meaning there is a very low learning curve for new drivers. 2 propellers push this vehicle along, allowing you to easily maneuver it around the water. The cockpit is air and water sealed, while the vehicle is in motion. However, when you come to a stop, you can easily open the hatch to enjoy the fresh air and cooling breeze of the water. You can also adjust the speed of the vehicle quite easily, allowing you to take a slow cruise across the open water or jet through the ocean like a sporting boat. The choice is yours. We don't know how much the Stratosphera aquatica will cost just yet, but we hope to hear more about this amazing piece of technology very soon. Inmo Air. Number 2. Inmo Air. Inmo Air glasses overlay computerized information over the real world. It is a safe and smart wearable technology that features a powerful processor, side HD camera, advanced optical zoom and gesture control for hands-free communication and information sharing. Use GPS to navigate the world around you. You can set your destination and see detailed directions right in front of you. Make a video or snap a photo. You can see the world from a first-person point of view without touching your phone. You can listen to music and view the lyrics from the lens. For volume adjustment or playback, control swipe the Inmo Air touchpad. Communicating with the outside world has never been so easy. All it takes is a click of a button and Inmo Air will take care of your daily schedule as your personal assistant. All your memos and notes will be displayed in augmented reality. You can pick up an Inmo Air for just $439 on Indiegogo. Number 3. Shine. Shine. This is a portable wind turbine that is able to harness the power of the wind and convert it into electrical energy. This is an amazing new device that could quite possibly change the world. It has a built-in battery that is able to store enough energy to charge up to 4 phones completely. It will work in almost any windy condition, including winds from 8 to 28 miles per hour. Though what's really interesting is that the device is portable and can fit in any ordinary backpack. This means you can charge up your phone or other gadget no matter where you are in the world using nothing but wind. The entire device weighs less than 3 pounds. When you're able to use it, you can set up Shine in as little as 2 minutes. Shine is not currently available for sale, but we expect it to launch soon. Shine is available now on Kickstarter for just $290. Number 4. Crown. Crown. This remarkable device, known as Crown, can help you stay focused while you work so that you can be more productive throughout the day. This device will mute any notifications from your smartphone and stimulate your brain so you can get work done like never before. Better yet, you could even Wear it while gaming so that you can remain hyper-focused when playing competitively. This device will guide you into a flow state and help you stay in the zone. Each device is packed with technology to keep things running smoothly. There are 8 EEG sensors and 2 haptic motors built right in. An NFC chip is also built in for all of your NFC-enabled devices. There is a 1.8 GHz processor and a 400 MHz coprocessor, as well as 8 GB of flash storage. You can use the device for up to 3 hours at a time before you need to recharge it. Number 5. Neural Canvas. Neural Canvas 2. If you're looking for a great way to add a bit of artwork to your home mural, Canvas is an amazing new way to display your favorite artwork or photos. The base model of this frame is a 16 by 24. There is a seemingly endless library of stock images you can choose from. More than 30,000 works of art are available with a mural membership, or you can simply add your own images. This is a digital smart frame that allows you to upload images directly from your computer using a Wi-Fi connection. It offers a wooden screen and an HD display that supports images up to 1080p. You will no longer have to go to the store to buy expensive artwork to hang on the wall. You can easily change images using the smartphone app. Personalize your display times, adjust your voice controls, or many other things using the easy-to-use app. This canvas can be found on Amazon for $499. Number 6. Octave. Octave. You've probably seen a tumbler before. It sounds amazing and is very imaginative in its construction. This DIY musical instrument is made from a variety of tubes and PVC pipes. It could take the shape of an octave, a musical instrument that can be worn like a harness and give us those cool Dr. Otto Octavius vibes. Designed by SF Weinberg, the one-off musical instrument is purely out of the realm of cool DIY stuff that you do not want to miss out on. The octave, like the tumbulum, is made of PVC pipes that lead to 6 pads that produce sound like a set of drums. This whole thing is attached to a harness that allows you to move with it. This device isn't currently for sale, but we'd love to see them hit the market soon. Number 7. Atmos. Atmos. Atmos is a surprisingly easy way to pump up all of your many sporting balls, or you could even use it as a vacuum to compress any sealant-safe clothing bags you may have laying around. The battery will last for a total of 60 minutes for most balls. It only takes about 3 minutes to fully inflate them. You can also vacuum seal many items of clothing in just 3 minutes as well. This means you won't need to delay your game if your ball happens to go flat, nor will you have to spend hours vacuum sealing your clothing or other fabrics. This means you'll have enough power to inflate 25 balls on just one charge, or vacuum several other items for storage. You can find the Atmos portable pump on Amazon for just $29. Number 8. Wind Bullet. Wind Bullet. Have you ever thought about what may happen if you get trapped inside your vehicle while underwater? How do you plan on getting out? This device will break your car's window with one simple tap, helping you to escape from your vehicle in the event of an emergency. If you ever get locked out of your home and have no other option, you could even Use it to bust a window of your home. If you noticed someone in distress in their vehicle, you could even use it to pull them from the car. There are countless uses for the win bullet, and it could be yours right now for just $33 on Indiegogo. Number 9. Splash Transformer. Splash Transformer. Splash Transformer is the perfect alternative to regular e-scooters that are primarily designed for daily commutes. It's designed for weekend daredevils and stylish ride. Splash Transformer can be used as a unique commuting vehicle and is recreation-oriented, sporty, playful, practical, and versatile. You have many options for customization of the handle, housing, and riding modes. This motorbike-like beast will turn heads without a doubt. The beefy proprietary motor is patented, offering amazing torque up to 960 watts. Take your ride over various terrains. This scooter will hold you on whatever route you take and will help you get over the bumps. Splash Transformer is available for $1,099 on Indiegogo. Number 10. Squeaky Clean Feet. Squeaky Clean Feet. Squeaky Clean Feet is a highly advanced foot cleaning system that was designed to address many of the common issues that revolve around our feet. This device will help you reduce stress, enhance your circulation, and give you relief from issues such as plantar fasciitis and neuropathy. On top of this, it will also give you a great way to keep your feet clean. All you need to do is add soap in the front of the device, then pull your foot backward and forward in just a few seconds. Your feet will be squeaky clean. You can find this device now for just $45